everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is an eyeshadow palette review and I'm going to go ahead and review the new Huda Beauty Nude Light Eyeshadow Palette. So without any further ado, I'm just going to dive in and play with this eyeshadow palette right now. Give you guys swatches, give you guys the actual look of the palette inside. So opening up, this is how it looks like. It has, for me, what I feel, it feels like the crocodile texture. If you ever have owned a crocodile handbag or a crocodile wallet, which my father used to own, which I know, it has that same texture of the crocodile. It's just mouth. It's not like the original one, but it has the nitty-gritties of that texture. Okay, it's interesting. Opening up the palette, okay, I am blown away by this one particular shade, guys. Look at that. Look at that purple shade right on top. Oh my gosh, it is so lovely. Okay, I thought the eyeshadow is going to look exactly like the picture, but the picture in Sephora website looks a little bit darker and this looks so much like vibrant. But it can work for my tan skin tone. So let's go ahead and try this one out.
She wanna see me. She love the queen and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your moms I'm your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl walk me to wifey.
So I'm done. This is the entire finish makeup look. Everything about the eyeshadow went on very beautifully, but I have a little bit of dislikes when it comes to this palette. But if you come and look in right here, my crease is like super flawless right there. There is no blotchiness, there is no like patchiness. It just blends everything out perfectly. But when it comes to the shimmer shades in the palette, has a little bit of issue. For my under eyelids right here, I went with this purple one with a dry brush. Nothing, like zero effect underneath my eyes. So I went in and added a little bit of like the purple Urban Decay eyeliner and smudged it out. I would definitely say Huda Beauty's, you have to wet your brush in order to see the major payout from the eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna get to swatching right now. I'm just gonna spool my hand. There is nothing right here. Like some people when they do swatches, they actually put like primer, then the foundation, and then swatch. No, mine is bare skin. This is the one that I was going through problem with. So I'm going to just take the purple one right here and I'm going to give you guys a nice beautiful swatch right here. So you can see the swatch actually came out really beautiful. It's just packed with too much of like glitter. You can literally see it's packed with so much of glitter. To my eyes, this is how it was. When I kept blending it just went away. Look at the difference. So for me, I like the palette. I can work with the palette. You do need to put a little bit of effort. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sucker you guys into something that it is like super amazing when it is like half amazing. For me, would I recommend this palette to you? I would not recommend this palette to you guys. Huda Beauty Obsession palette is like a yes, 100%. For the price, which is $55 Singapore dollars, and the shimmer shades you have to put in like an extra work. You can't even use your brush. If you are not a type of person that actually uses your fingers to do your makeup, then it will be a problem. It's because you're going to keep using the brush and you're going to keep packing. It's not going to stick unless you spit the brush or unless you have like a wet eyeshadow base. Besides that, it will not stick. I don't know. You guys decide. Besides that, I love Huda Beauty. I love their foundation. I love Electric Obsession palette. I do like it, but I just don't like this particular palette. So you guys decide. I love you guys so much. A couple of videos coming out and a couple of new things that will be launching in Instagram. So go ahead and follow me there as well. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next one.